so back on the 200 EFI, replaced a couple of things to the fuel line. We just got to cut these back a little bit and test it, make sure it doesn't leak. But next thing I'm doing is wait for that plane to go over. Anyway, I cracked all these spark plugs, and I got my like a towel laid out over here. I'm just going to look at each one of these and see how they look. Keep them in order. Well, this one's not too bad. That other one, though, didn't look good. Yeah, just dirty on that one. No, that one's not bad. That one's got a little bit of, like it had moisture or something. That's not bad. Alright, so I got them laid out so you can see each bank. So hopefully you can kind of see that. This one looks fairly rusty on top, which means that before we turn this, we're going to squirt some stuff in it. That one, that middle one, same way. So hopefully we don't have, I don't know. So first thing I'm going to do is just kind of WD-40 it. Take this flywheel cover off. Alright. This guy. Okay, gonna do a compression test. See that compression tester right there? And then I got that spider deal. Word on that spider deal, it's a good one. You can adjust, as CDI makes it, you can adjust the spark gap, but on an engine like this, you can't connect all 6 plugs to it. So if you watch Cody Bass, he's got a spider, and that would be good for this application because you could connect all of your leads to that guy. And that's grounded right there. So what do? Well, I've got, if you look over here, see there's the spider. I just do my old school trick. Wing nut, 3 pieces of wire, 1 piece of wire that goes to a gator clip. So I ground out that side. So when I'm doing the compression test, I'll look at these. I got it set at about a 1/4 inch gap. So I do that compression test. Then, yeah, see how I got 1, 2, 3? See, these wires aren't long enough to connect over to here. So the spider, like Cody Bass has, is the thing to get. So, but I can look at this spark, and then I can swap them and check the other side. So we got compression tester in that number 1. So we got port. We got port is that other side. So cylinder 2, 4, 6. And then we got starboard 1, 3, 5. We'll do a compression test to see what kind of numbers we got. And then I've got key in it. I've got the key in the ignition, right? And then we got if you see, I got my remote starter. So the green wire is going up to the hot side of the solenoid, and the white wire is going up to, you know, the signal input of the solenoid. So it should be able to turn it. And if you look over there, right there's my homemade box. And then I've got my battery charger, because if you remember, I was moving this thing up and down, messing with the trim. So I got my battery charger connected up to the battery just to charge it up. So that's what's happening. So the next thing I'm doing, I got another job where I'm just getting the tub. I had the tub full, so I'm draining it, but I'm going to put the tub right there instead of running ears. I could run ears, but then I'm going to use a whole bunch of water where I could use a tub, and it's 70 gallons, but it's not like 140. Anyway, that's what's going on. I got my tub out here, and you can see I'm just going ahead and flushing it while I fill this tub. Just one extra little step. Basically what I'm doing is I'm going to crank it over, and I'm going to get the numbers. So. Alright, doing a compression test. Real quick. I haven't seen anything in a while, I'm guessing. But this will be a starboard side, and so, whoops, I got 121, about 128. Cylinder 3. Now we got fire on the first two. So we said 128. About 126. Okay, 126. About 125. Okay, put some of this. Take this off. Now we're on port. This will be cylinder number 2. And that one's going to be about 126. Yep, we got sparkler on. Alright, this one is, I'm going to say 128. 126, 128. So we just got to do this bottle. And on number 6 we have, oh, better, 134. I think probably these pistons are going to come back a little bit, just because they've been sitting for a little while. But you can see that's like 134. So that's our compression test. That's our compression numbers, and so we got a good engine here.